Hello everybody, I'm Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we worked on this setup here to turn our crushed stone that's coming off of our iron process into bricks, and then turn those bricks into walls. So that is running. And then we went and set up a brand new copper process, replaced the existing one into a proper copper smelting system. And right now, it's pretty much just running off of the copper coming off of the iron. And I probably could make significantly more from what we're looking at, but we're going to let it run and see where it ends up. So, what we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to start setting up the electronics production process, because we're going to need those for, well, the next stage to kind of get everything running, because a lot of stuff that we need are going to need the basic electronic boards, and so we're going to work on those. Now, off screen, I went ahead and put these research labs back down and researched paper making. Because that's going to let us make paper, and it's also going to let us make wooden boards out of paper. So, that's going to be an option for getting the wooden boards we're going to need. But we are probably going to have to make those wooden boards from actual wood, at least to start with anyway. But we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I think I also did expand the iron just a little bit. So I think the issue is that we're not making enough crushed. And then we're already making too much crushed stone. But yeah, this will be fine for now. Again, this is just still very early building the base that we're going to need to build the base. So yeah. Let's get started here with our electronic boards. So, like, my steam production here will scale its speed and energy consumption to the temperature of the steam you pipe into it. So they actually are not doing. So if I were to pump hotter steam into it by pulling this guy out and turning that into a boiler. Boiler 2. That should increase their crafting speed. Alright, good. Let's see. 0.5. What's the actual crafting speed? Crafting speed is 1 on those. All right. Well, first things first, I need to decide on how we're going to do a couple of things. One, we're going to need carbon, right? And so we're going to be making that from coal. A single mine is going to be enough. So we'll do 2. Trying to decide if I want to use this line. Yeah, we might use this, actually. Let's expand this. And we're going to upgrade these belts to yellow belts. Yeah, because these are barely using any coal at all. Even for this, is not using all that much coal. What I'm actually going to try and do here is switch over to using pretty much exclusively yellow belts from this point on. Because we're going to start kind of right here. Do I want to go here? Because this could expand this way. This could expand this way. Actually, like, where do I want to do this? Where isn't going to interfere with anything? It might actually be best to start the process down here. Yes. Okay. And we still will route the belt through here. But we're going to kind of sneak things. this way. Let's see, can I put that in a better place? If I move that light, yes. A lot of rock that's going to be in the way. I had to clear some of that. All right, so we need to crush. And then we need to turn it into coke. Which are probably going to use the crushed for both. Yeah, okay. For both the raw material and the fuel. I'm actually going to use 2 crushers. Yeah, I can't make loaders yet until I have electronics. Alright. Alright, so you are me crushing coal. Alright, there we go. Oh, actually, we need to reverse those belts. Reverse those belts. And then we need our steel furnace. Just one, it would seem. Now produces coke. All right. And then we need some steam and a liquefier. To turn that into carbon. Okay, steam. Now we do have our steam pipe. Do I want the steam to come in from that direction? I only need one for now, right? I only need one, but if I want to expand it later, I'm going to need more. So, let's... let's do that. I don't think I'm going to need two inserters, but we're going to put the two inserters there anyway. Pick up. Pick up. Alright. There we go. We now have carbon. Now, we're going to need to make the tinned copper wire. Means we're going to need copper wire. If I were to do this with electrified assembly machines... There's a temperature of steam that I can supply it. I see. We have 312 degree. Steam. Well, that steam isn't going anywhere. Well, it was feeding this, but this whole system is going to almost certainly get moved, so we're not going to worry about feeding it right now. Oh, except that that needs to be... Okay. Alright, we're gonna feed a 350 degree... steam. You'd only need 2. Yeah, that's... Make sure that these mines are doing okay. Yep, those mines are doing fine. All right. So. I'm kind of getting lost in my own head here. We need 2 steam-powered machines. Make our copper. Okay, and the copper is going to be coming in... from this direction. I'm going to give a little bit of space there. Alright, and the steam is coming in from there, so we have 2 machines running on steam. They will be making copper cable. All right, now that copper. All right, just crank those out. What am I going to need? Iron and tin. Make more. The tin's going to have to get routed over here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're almost there. Basically just keep cranking out some belts. I need to actually start getting belts manufactured so that I don't have to do these by hand. Alright, so those should be coming through. Next stage is going to be our tin. Alright, so we're going to have... And how many are going to be on there? 1. It says... Temperature of that steam is 308 degrees. I probably would need a boiler here to up the temp. Not impossible. No, it just needs some time, I think, to come up the temperature. You're making tin to copper wire. We're gonna need... hopefully only 3 or only 2 inserters. Alright, the tin. How are we going to route that? Well, it's going to have to go through one of the mining areas regardless, I think. Okay. I think we can work around it. We're gonna have to work around if I need to get access to that silicon. Need to do some workarounds there. All right, for the time being. Let's see. Dump the tin under there, bring it through here. Now we're going to need to go under again. Can I move that? Yeah, I can move that. Can I move that? I should be able to move that. Go underneath again. Basically, we need to get across here and then onto the other side of this belt, the copper, and then bring it down there. I have to produce steel, too. Do I have... Oops. What am I doing? Steel smelting as an option? Advanced steel smelting and casting. What do I need to get first? Advanced bronze smelting, bronze alloy processing. Okay, yeah, we'll get there. So I really don't want to use the process to turn iron plates into steel plates. I would like to actually cast proper steel. That's gonna need to get out of the way. That's gonna need to get out of the way. And after the tin copper wire, we have the tin copper wire, we have the carbon, we can make the electronic components. Then we're gonna need to figure out the solder, right? Yeah, I know how we're gonna do the solder, right? Right, because we figured out solder here. Mm-hmm. 0.7, 0.8. Yeah, okay. I think I still need more iron. How did a little bit of... Okay, we don't want that on there. There's a little bit of coal on the belt. Alright, so that emptied out. Good. That means we're actually processing stereotyte to make copper now. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with that stone. How are we doing over here? Okay. It still wants 3 of them. Okay. Nope. Ah, crap. Well, we'll use that pipe, I guess, because I just made some. I wanted to make iron pipe, not stone pipe. No, I guess we could make stone pipe. If I had to use the stone bricks to do something with, we could use it to make stone pipes. Okay. Alright, we need basic electronic components. I want to at least get these running. We're gonna have to go play a couple more. At least. Right. So, I think we're going to go ahead and stop there for today. And what we're going to do next is we're going to figure out our solder. And we're going to bring our solder over. I'm going to have to manufacture a whole bunch more belts. Figure out our solder, bring our solder over. Then we're going to have to figure out... Well, we're probably just going to do a basic... wooden boards just to make some initial electronic boards. And then we're going to have to figure out where our wooden boards are going to come from. What process is going to work at this stage. Alright. Well, yeah, that's for next episode. So for now, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.